guys, this is Miriam here with Mann Lake. I am currently here in Kentucky at the North American Honeybee Expo. I will be kind of going over a little bit more to all our beekeepers on the other side, which is the West Coast. So for right now, our California beekeepers and our West Coast also, it's still kind of cold for you guys to be going into your hive, so just kind of leaving them alone. If you guys start to see that the temperatures are getting a little bit warmer for at least 2 to 3 days straight, go ahead and pop that open. Just make sure everything's going okay. If you need to feed, you can feed at that moment, but other than that, just leave them alone. Another topic that I want to go ahead and also talk about today is for all our new beekeepers. So if you have not pre-ordered our bees with us, there's still plenty of time. Go ahead and pre-order. You can go on our website or you can give us a call as well. We do have different options. We have ship outs and we have pickups. We're also doing nukes this year. Unfortunately, that's only for pickup in our California office, but go ahead and give us a call and we can explain more about our ship outs as well. Another thing is to get ready with product. So anything that you guys need, from your basic boxes, your gear as well, go ahead and stop by on one of our locations or go onto our website and find those gears as well. Personally, my recommendation for starters will be either our Italians or our Carnolians. Those are the most sweet and gentle bees. You guys will love them. So for everybody that has already pre-ordered our bees with us, also make sure to go ahead and check out all the rest of the product that you guys will be needing. You have different options, so you can do with the already assembled hive, complete, or also unassembled. So like that, you have so many different options you can do. We do have 10 frames and we have 8 frames equipment. 10 frames usually gets on a little bit heavier side, so a lot of new beekeepers like to start with the 8 framers first, and it's so much easier for you guys just to go ahead and move around. To start with, I will also recommend your bottom board, your deep box, your inner cover, and your telescoping cover as well. For equipment, you would need a hive tool, a smoker as well, and your gear. With gear, we have different options. We have just the jacket itself or also the entire suit. We have different options as well, the materials. It kind of just depends on which one you guys prefer. A recommendation for feed, we have 2 different kinds, which is our dry and we have patties as well. So it kind of depends on which ones you guys prefer. We do have different selections of patties. We do have 2 new ones that we are recommending out, which is the Ultra Bee Plus and the Ultra Bee Rocket. Those are really good. So give it a try and see what do you guys think about it. We do carry them in 10 pounds and 40 pounds, but you can also do single patties just to try them out and see what do you guys think. Just remember, just leave your bees alone. They will do great by themselves. If you guys keep on popping those lids up with this chilly weather that we're having, it's not good for them. So just let them be. They will be okay. Before you know it, spring is just around the corner and you guys will be able to get in there and actually do the fun stuff with your bees. So once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.